Hi guys, a charger station for the first time. Tesla, obviously, you can precondition the battery by scheduling it, but it's most important really to sat nav to wherever you're going. So it's going to precondition the batteries, knowing that you're going to be charging soon. So you can open the charge port here, look, by pressing that button, or you can do it with the charger. So let's step out of the car and see how that works. Here we are at Tesla charging station in Exeter. About 40 chargers here, mainly empty most of the time. So what we're going to do is just grab the charger. This is going to be directly debited from your card as well, what you've obviously registered already with Tesla when you bought your car on your card. So you're going to press the, well, this is around the wrong way. I can't do this a minute, hold on with one hand. Now, oh god, so there you go, let's put that in there, shall we? Sorry about that guys. Now blue, it should turn to green. Come on, yeah, there you go, green is connected. And now it's just come up on my app that that's now charging. You can hear the actual charger working as well. Do make sure on your app that it is actually charging and not just saying that it's the connection's in, because it might say the connection's not in properly, but also that the charger's broken down and the charger's not working. So guys, please make sure on your app that it is actually working. So I've got a coffee and come back to my car now. Let's see how the charging's going. There you go. I know it's got a little picture of a Tesla charger now. And let's see, shall we? We can stop it by pressing on there, obviously. 25 minutes remaining. Charge limit 84%. It's set out, normally it's 80% recommended, but it's on 84 for some reason. And really, I'm 54% charge. I've got more than enough to get home, so I can stop it now, and we're just gonna go on there. There you go, all done. So I just got to take the charging cable out. I mean, that literally 10 minutes to charge. I just got a sandwich for M&S. Take that out. That's gonna be charged directly to my account. Oh, these are quite chunky, quite big to handle with one hand. Charge port shut automatically. And what have we got? What about it cost us? Let's have a look, shall we? Let's have a look. Go to charging, and that cost $12.77. Last paid charging session. So I've gone to from Newquay to Exeter, charged for 13 quid, gone to Bristol, back to Exeter, charged again for £12.77, and I'm on 55% for the trip home. What is going to be another 60 miles, I suppose, something like that. So what have I got in mileage? 170. So I'm going to have about 110 miles probably when I get home, and put it on charge for the night when I get home. Anyway guys, hope that helps, and that's charging at a Tesla charger. Main thing is to make sure you precondition your batteries and check for chargers working once you put the charger in on your app or on the screen in your car. Just because you put the charger in doesn't mean the charger is actually working. Unfortunately, I've done that before myself and not checked. So it does happen. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. It's free, of course, and hit the like button if you like this video. Loads more to come. Thanks guys.